Team 3 will be presenting on the future of ERPs. Team 3 consists of Darnetta, Lisa, Krista, Alfred. Today's presentation will cover ERPs, what are they, why ERPs, ERPs today, issues with current ERPs, and lastly, the future of ERPs. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. While there are a lot of articles on the internet saying how terrible ERPs are, most companies that use them find them very helpful and very useful resources for their respective companies. ERP are used to help bring a company together using a single piece of software to do what normally would take multiple softwares to complete or achieve the same task. For example, a company may use one system to track accounting and financial matters, while also using another completely different system to track inventory, which is counterproductive. Today, ERP are expanded to encompass business intelligence, while also handling front office functions such as sales force automation, marketing automation, and e-commerce. With these product advancement and the success stories coming out of these systems, companies in a broad range of industries, from wholesale distribution to e-commerce, use ERP solutions. For that, you need to take a step back and think about all the various processes that are essential to running a business, including inventory and order management, accounting, human resources, customer relation management, and beyond. At its most basic level, ERP software integrates these various functions into one complete system to streamline the process and information across an entire organization. Today's most successful business cannot operate without a good ERP. While most cannot answer entire problems one may discover using this system, currently there is not something better out there. With an ERP solution, executives can get a holistic view of the business operation at any time, while other staff can get information they need to do their job more effective. For example, sales representatives should be able to view a customer's full transaction history and more proactively improve renewal status rates while increasing upsell and cross-sell opportunities. CIO stands for Chief Information Officer. CIO.com is a website that helps current CIOs with updated information in the information technology world. In a recent survey, when asked, "How are you using your ERP?" CIOs said that their core ERP module were used mainly for accounting, financial applications, ordering processing, supplier management, inventory management, HR management, and payroll functions. Most upper management would not get rid of their current ERPs, but also found that it did not completely solve most of their problems according to this survey. While most see problems or no innovation actually taking place with these systems, most cannot completely stray away from them because they are the backbone of their company. While newer developments are out there, currently most will not want to try them because they're not proven like ERPs, and also they cannot do a better job than their current ERP is doing for them. Case in fact, stick to what you have, it is proven, and something will come along someday that is better. Also, there is innovation taking place. It is only happening to larger companies. It is only happening to suit larger company issues or manufacturing issues, not addressing smaller scale problems. While we understand why this is the reason for larger profits for ERP vendors to solve larger company problems, it also offers the largest window of opportunity for independent firms to help solve this problem by making some sort of adjustment or add or edit to an existing company's ERP system. We have ERPs in these forms: cloud, mobile, customization, and integration. All will be discussed by my colleagues that will lead into the future of ERPs. Now, let's turn our attention over to Lisa.
The following are issues that ERP systems present. First, businesses want ERP systems to be simple and hassle-free. They want the system to be simple to use. Second, data from ERP systems is growing and managing data is cumbersome. Third, process issues, whether the company uses the standard system processes or changes the system to adapt to company's old processes. 4. Employee issues with resistance to training by employees and management. As with all new systems, it is difficult at times to get management and employees on board with adapting to the new system and being open to new ways of doing things. 5th, when changing from a legacy system to a new ERP, it can be difficult to import the data from the legacy system. 6th, the high cost of ERP software. It is expensive to purchase and maintain. How can issues be corrected to keep up with modern times? First, ERPs will have enhanced web interfaces to support e-commerce, enterprise portals, and extensible markup language. Second, ERP term for the next generation of ERP tools that better support internal and external collaboration. In the remaining slides, we will talk about what the future of ERP could be. What is the future of ERP systems? One future of ERP is to have embedded analytics within the business process application. It provides relevant information, analytical tools designed for the task at hand, so users can work smarter and more efficiently in the applications they use every day. A second feature of ERP would be cloud ERP systems. The results are increased mobility, more knowledgeable decision-making, increased productivity, lower costs, and ability to be innovative. This would allow the user to be able to use the system from a mobile device and get access from any internet connection. This connection would just not be for analytics. With ERP on a cloud, the user would be able to perform and view information in the ERP system. This would give users the freedom to work from almost anywhere. A third feature of ERP is software as a service. Software as a service is any cloud service that allows consumers access to software applications over the internet. These applications are hosted in the cloud and can be used for tasks for both individual and organizations. The software can be accessed via the internet and accessed online from any computer with a username and password. Every person that needs access can be set up as a user, whether it's a couple people or all people in a corporation. A fourth feature of ERP is the simplification of the system. It promises to be simplified, more accessible, and easier to use. This simplification needs to change in the deployment of the system and aligning it with an organization's business processes. This can be done by reworking the ERP system to avoid duplications, removing tables, and simplifying programs.
Apps that can be downloaded by you and integrated into your existing system will be the future of ERP. These apps and integrations can be done on a mobile device while on a plane to another country. Companies will not be limited to in-office resources to handle any situation. CEOs will be able to go on vacation and still be able to observe the flow of the business. Sales reps will be able to assist customers around the world with up-to-date information from their phone, tablet, or laptop. Mobility with ERP customers will give companies the opportunity to update and maintain customer files while on the go. Orders, notes, and even problem solving can be done out of the office in real time. The customer file can be accessible to anyone involved in the process, from sales reps to the shipping department. The future of ERP lies within the software company's ability to be agile and innovative. These ERP providers need to be able to create updates and new apps to meet the needs of their customers' business changes with without the updates becoming costly or outdated. These apps need to become compatible and easily accessible. The app will replace the need to create new software structures for businesses. Consumers will be able to buy and build custom enterprise suites without having to completely replace existing software. The ERP app would be compatible with any device, such as an Apple, HP, Google Chrome, and iPhone, Android phone, or tablet. When downloaded to the cloud, these apps can be used by any business regardless of what device they are using at any time. The ERP of the future would benefit not only the business but also the public. A consumer could scan a barcode of an item at a friend's house and find out where to purchase that item and the price it is currently going for. The consumer will have real-time data information for inventory, purchasing, and or shipping. This will increase convenience for customers and sales for the company. It will give the company information on purchasing demands right away.
There are 3 different cloud computing models. There is a public cloud. This is when the services are accomplished over a network that is open for public use. Second, there is a private cloud. This is operated solely for a single organization, even if it's managed internally or by a third party. Also, it's hosted internally or externally. A third type is a hybrid cloud. This is a composition of 2 or more clouds, for example, a private cloud along with a public cloud. They remain noticeable entities but are restrained together. They offer the benefits of multiple grouping models. There are 3 types of cloud computing services. The first is software as a service. This is an operating environment largely irrelevant, fully functional application provided. For the future, it is predicted that SaaS technologies will continue to expand into new territories such as business intelligence, tools, industry verticals, billing, payroll, etc. SaaS is growing strong with an estimated growth of 19% by 2015. Platform as a service, this is the second type. This platform service operating environment includes e.g. Windows, .NER, Linux, J2EE, application of choice deployed. In the future, it is assumed that open systems will coexist with proprietary, for example, like Java and Net. A third type is infrastructure as a service, virtual platform on which required operating environment and application are deployed. Includes storage as a service offerings. Some analysis firms predict it will generate greater revenue, potentially $8.8 billion from $2 billion in 2012. The following are social ERP benefits. Allows you to leverage the network is one. Second, it unites collaborations and business intelligence. Also, it enables real-time social analysis. Fourth, in information supply chain, it captures collaboration context at all points. Fifth, identifies new business opportunities and improves cross-upselling. Sixth, it increases your customer loyalty by improving the customer conversations, and also customer interaction is efficient. Finally, there are self-help communities and forums that allows your customer service costs to decrease. This slide continues with social ERP benefits. Rapid response in regards to negative information about your business. Also, it allows customers to contribute to improvements, which improves the innovations. Third, it identifies new ways to improve products and customer services. Fourth, helps company take action quicker. Fifth, improves marketing return on investment through better targeting for campaign. And finally, reduces cost of sales by building community and also word of mouth around the brand and product.